Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. Furthermore, it is justifiably, Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being an unimaginably creative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser degree an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this article, we will endeavor to gauge how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that because of the flighty and unstable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be accepted tentatively. This article doesn't comprise speculation counsel. What is Ethereum? The most ideal way to improve as a financial backer and increment your benefit is to more deeply study the resource you're working with. While digital money costs, in contrast to those of conventional resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend significantly less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin, token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability out of nowhere turns out to be particularly popular. As a well-known and famous digital currency, Ethereum and its usefulness aren't precisely covered in secret. A great many people have caught wind of its association with savvy contracts, NFTs, and DeFi. Nonetheless, that is not entirely there is to that coin, since Ether brings considerably more to the table. Ethereum was sent off back in 2015 and is renowned for being a decentralized and open-source verification of work blockchain with brilliant agreements usefulness. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, Ethereum has an uncapped stock. Perhaps of the greatest test that Ethereum needs to conquer soon is its steadily rising exchange charges, or, as they're required this specific organization, gas expenses. The more individuals use Ethereum, the higher those gas charges become, making the coin's developing ubiquity a blade that cuts both ways. Increasingly more cryptographic forms of money with comparative functionalities, however less expensive exchange costs, and higher throughput, as Solana, keep on arising. Nonetheless, the execution and send-off of the union will probably turn what is going on near and address at any rate a portion of these issues toward the day's end. What separates ETH from different coins is the range of this cryptographic money's capabilities. Ethereum has a lot of cool highlights and plans for the future. To this end, this digital currency is as well known among crypto financial backers for all intents and purposes. ETH isn't simply a theoretical resource, it has genuine worth. dApps, decentralized applications, or dApps for short, are PC applications that sudden spike in demand for different decentralized frameworks. The Ethereum blockchain is the most well-known stage for dApp organization. There are as of now many dApps on Ethereum, and they cover a large number of administrations, from games to speculation. While dApps are quickly acquiring notoriety, there are a great deal of difficulties that keep them from becoming standard. As far as one might be concerned, they are fairly out of reach to the overall population. Albeit, in actuality, they are not difficult to utilize. A great many people appear to be reluctant to give them a shot. As additional organizations embrace dApps, making them the standard, the worth and market cap of ETH makes certain to go up. All things considered, all dApp activities cost an expense. 2022 has brought a great deal of changes not exclusively to the Ethereum structure, yet additionally the actual update. For one's purposes, the Undertakings group would rather not refer to it as ETH 2.0 divided by ETH2 any longer, saying that it doesn't compare to Ethereum's guide any longer. There have been different purposes behind forsaking the ETH2 name, and you can peruse more about them on the coin's true site. Ethereum Authentic Value Examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,259.96, and ETH is by position no. 2 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Ethereum is 122,373,866 ETH, with a market cap of 154,185,713,381.23. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $30.74 in its ongoing worth. Ethereum is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. ETH has fallen by practically 20.22% over the most recent 7 days, with worries about the related dangers heightening in the beyond couple of days. We don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could major areas of strength for half. Inside the last month, the cost of ETH has diminished by 1.99%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $25.07 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it tends to be a decent purchasing and open door for fast speculation. Ethereum value expectation for 2022 to 2030. Kindly recall that the crypto market is incredibly erratic, and the items in this article are not speculation exhortation. Continuously do your own intensive examination prior to settling on any venture choices, and ensure that you're mindful of the relative multitude of dangers. Ethereum value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum will be $1,251.50. The most extreme level that the ETH cost can reach is $1,334.78. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1,299.09. ETH value gauge for November 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Ethereum toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,249.13 in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,130.16 and at $1,284.81 individually. December 2022, Ethereum value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ETH cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $1,251.50, while the greatest could reach $1,334.78 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,299.09. Ethereum value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $1,841. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $2,203.63. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1,905.95 in 2023. Ethereum value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum, in 2024, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme cost, about $2,719.80 and $3,240.24. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $2,796.03. Ethereum value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Ethereum and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ETH cost could drop to $4,152.78, while its most extreme can reach $4,791.82. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $4,264.62. Ethereum value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ETH costs are normal in 2026. $7,164.